Giant ionic structures. Giant means big. Ionic comes from the word ion, so we conclude that there is involvement of ions in the giant ionic structure. What is an ion? An ion is an atom or a group of atoms that carry an electrical charge. This electrical charge could be either positive or negative. So an ion is an atom, or it could be a group of atoms, and it carries an electrical charge. See these four examples to the right. O2 minus ion, Mg2 plus, S2 minus, and Li plus. The electrical charge is the sign to the top right corner. Could be positive or negative. All ionic compounds consist of huge lattices of positive and negative ions packed together in a regular way. So, ionic compounds are made up of huge lattices. This is a lattice, and it's a huge lattice. It's made up of positive and negative ions. The big green representations are the positive ions, and the smaller dark green ones are the negative ions. Notice in the figure how organized they are. So the ions are packed together in a regular way. So ionic compounds consist of these huge lattices. This is the definition of giant ionic structures.